Most retail investors are completely blinded by cheap psychology. They open up their brokerage apps, scroll past the absolute titans of Wall Street, and search for cheap $5 stocks dangling a massive 12, 15, or even 20% dividend yield. They think buying 10,000 shares of a $5 stock is a genius shortcut to passive income. It is a mathematical execution of your capital. Wall Street engineers these cheap high-yield traps specifically to harvest retail liquidity. Look at the actual data behind retail favorites like PSEC, Prospect Capital, or ORC, Orchid Island Capital. Stocks that permanently trade right around that volatile $5 to $6 range while promising massive monthly payouts. This is where the audit gets brutal. When a company trades at $5 while paying a double-digit yield, it is not a market inefficiency. It is a corporate distress signal. This is the anatomy of a classic dividend yield trap. To keep retail investors from panic selling their shares, these debt-heavy structures force a cash distribution. But because their core business model is bleeding, they aren't paying you out of real earnings. They are cutting off chunks of their own underlying net asset value to fund your check. This triggers a permanent cycle of dividend decay. You collect a 50-cent monthly dividend, but your $5 share permanently collapses to $3.50. Then, to keep the stock from dropping to zero, the company executes a reverse stock split, erasing your total share count. You are legally losing your core principal wealth just to chase a highly taxable cash distribution. You are literally paying these junk corporations to wipe out your portfolio from the inside out. If you want an unkillable passive income machine, you have to completely eliminate single company decay and reverse split risks. Smart money does not gamble on volatile $5 penny structures. They park their capital into heavy, institutional, high-yield, and dividend growth ETFs that hold the actual infrastructure of global capitalism. Instead of burning your money on dying companies, these are the institutional giants you actually need to lock onto your watch list. SCHD, Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, the absolute gold standard. It automatically filters out debt-heavy traps like PSEC. It only holds massive U.S. corporations with a strict minimum of 10 consecutive years of rising dividend payouts and massive free cash flow. JEPI, JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. If you want that double-digit monthly cash flow without the penny stock bankruptcy risk, this is the institutional play. Elite JP Morgan managers write covered calls on elite S&P 500 giants, converting market volatility into safe, massive monthly checks. VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Pure market dominance. Instead of praying a $5 stock doesn't crash tomorrow, you instantly own a slice of the 500 largest, most aggressive powerhouses in the United States. Its built-in self-cleaning protocol automatically kicks out the losers and replaces them with surging monopolies. Stop measuring your net worth by how many total shares you own. Having 10,000 shares of a bleeding $5 asset is a liability. Having one single fractional slice of an elite corporate index fund is a compounding superpower. When you shift your capital base away from speculative yield traps and into institutional ETFs, the system automatically manages the risk for you. It cuts the failures, reinvests into the winners, and forces your money to compound on complete autopilot. Review the systemic market volatility disclosure visible on your screen right now and in the description box below before moving any active capital structures. If you are ready to stop falling for cheap, high-yield scams and start building real institutional wealth, smash that subscribe button right now. Stay disciplined, trust the naked math, and keep your hands off the portfolio.